Here's some Shoshone Tribe trivia. Subscribe. Which U.S. state is primarily home to the Shoshone Tribe? Is it A, Montana, B, Wyoming, C, Idaho, or D, Nevada? The correct answer is C, Idaho. What is the primary language spoken by the Shoshone people? Is it A, Apache, B, Shoshone, C, Sioux, or D, Navajo? The correct answer is B, Shoshone. In which century did the Shoshone first come into contact with Europeans? Is it A, 19th century, B, 16th century, C, 18th century, or D, 17th century? The correct answer is C, 18th century. What type of traditional dwelling is common among the Shoshone? Is it A, wickiup, B, longhouse, C, pueblo, or D, tipi? The correct answer is A, wickiup. Which animal is most important in Shoshone culture for sustenance? Is it A, deer, B, rabbit, C, salmon, or D, bison? The correct answer is D, bison. In which state did the Shoshone sign the 1868 treaty? Is it A, Colorado, B, Wyoming, C, Utah, or D, Idaho? The correct answer is B, Wyoming. Which dance symbolizes renewal in Shoshone culture? Is it A, powwow, B, fancy dance, C, sun dance, or D, snake dance? The correct answer is C, sun dance. Which type of music is influential in Shoshone culture? Is it A, drum music, B, jazz music, C, rock music, or D, flute music? The correct answer is D, flute music. What is a common Shoshone belief regarding land? Is it A, owned by individuals, B, meant for trading, C, used for farming, or D, sacred? The correct answer is D, sacred. What role do elders play in Shoshone communities? Is it A, parents, B, advisors, C, warriors, or D, hunters? The correct answer is B, advisors. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.